হো ধরমিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর হো উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ভুলিবে ডাবেদ জ্ঞান হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में वीर रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना
In this foundation course, the bridges that you will build, the friendships that you will make, the camaraderie that you will establish, the coming together, the bonding that you will have will actually outlast your service life. The challenge for all of us is whether we exercise the individual brilliance that all of us have and whether we use this individual brilliance to achieve a common goal, the goal of a better India. That's a challenge for us. That's also an opportunity for us, and that's also a responsibility for us. Getting technology in governance is going to be a major opportunity and a major challenge and a major responsibility for all of you. I wish you the very best in your personal and professional careers.
The general motto of the civil service is Yoga Karmashu Kaushalam. Excellence of work is yoga. This is in Gita chapter 2. All of you, in a way, are servants of the country. Desh Sevak hai. That's what the Prime Minister said. This service of IAS, IPS, these are all nomenclatures which do not matter to the country. What matters is that all of us are serving the country. All of us are serving the people of this country. Propensity of the civil service to succumb to pressure, to succumb to agreeing to things which are not correct. IPS incorporates the logo, Government of India logo, which says Satyameva Jayate. Adherence to truth and integrity are the core values of the civil service. The freedom that a civil service must have, commitment to truth, commitment to tell the truth. In fact, that reminds me of a very famous doha from Tulsidas in Mahabharata, Ramcharitmanas, where he says, Sachiva, Vaidya, Guru. Sachiva is the secretary, Vaidya is the doctor, and Guru, spiritual Guru. Priya Bolai Bhaya Asa. This is an Awadhi language. If these three functionaries, the secretary, the doctor, and the guru, tell you what pleases you, Priya Bolai Bhaya Asha, Raja Dharma, Tana Tinoi, Begoi Hoye Nasha. Raja is your kingdom. Dharma is a dharma that you have to adhere to. And your body, Tana is your body. If the doctor doesn't tell the truth that you're suffering from disease, your body will get spoiled. If the minister does not tell this what you have to do, the kingdom gets spoiled. Begai hoye nasha. They get destroyed very soon.
নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উত্থান জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয় உள்ளத்தினுறுதியாய் செயல் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में भी रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना ভুলিবে যাবে জ্ঞান হবো সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয়
It was a very nice experience The academy, the campus of the MCR HRD IT is very well built, and the hostel facilities, the mess, as well as the academic block where we have various classes, and we have auditorium. They are very well built, and very remarkable infrastructure is present over here. Whatever experience we had here was very important and will be very helpful for our career later on.
ও ধরো মিতে ধীর হো করো মিতে বীর হো উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ভুলিবে দাবেদ জ্ঞান হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में वीर रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना
This special FC was special in many ways, coming back from field to the classroom, where we got to learn along with having lots of free time, and this inter-service camaraderie and interaction was again an enriching experience, where we learnt about many things about other services. Although it ended bit shortly, but the memories which we are going to take back to our cadre would be a lifelong experience.
ভুলিবে দাবেদ জ্ঞান হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় वहाँ धर्म ते धीर वहाँ कर्मित वीर वहाँ उन्नत शील नहीं भाई नाना भाषा नाना मत नाना परिधान विविधेर माझे देखो मिलन মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উদ্ধার জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান
I'm happy to note that about 15,000 officers are receiving training at this very institute every year. As you are all aware, India's first Deputy Prime Minister and the unifier of the nation, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, has conceived of the unique All India services which has been serving the nation wonderfully ever since its inception. Officers like you are the important change agents who can bring about a rapid transformation in the country's growth narratives. So your performance, your conduct, your understanding and appreciation of the issues, and your ability and your stability, that will provide the mobility for all the schemes. You, the bureaucrats, are the facilitators and implementers of the decisions taken by the government. You act as a bridge between the government and the people of this country. It was the vision of and foresight of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel that led to creation of All India services. He wanted the civil service to serve the people with generosity, with impeccable integrity, honesty and dedication. The officers of the government are the most valuable and trusted partners in the development of all regions. A civil servant like all of us Indians owes allegiance to the Constitution and consequently has a fundamental duty to strive hard to create a just society with equal opportunities for all citizens. Maybe the time has come for all of us to do a serious introspection as to what extent have we collectively realized the dream of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and other national icons. If I have to say in local language, సామాన్యుడి జీవన ప్రమాణాలను పెంచడమే ప్రతి ప్రభుత్వ పథకం యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. Mr. Chairman, what is required is not a new bill. What is required is political will, administrative skill, and go for the kill of the social evil. I said, I call upon all of you to maintain a high level of integrity, commitment, transparency, accountability, and constantly strive to achieve the goals of inclusive national development. Please remember that ensuring transparency in all government activities and achieving inclusivity in all aspects of governance are crucial steps for becoming an effective, responsive civil servant.
ভুলিবে যাবে কেন হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় वहाँ धर्म ते धीर वहाँ कर नित्य वीर वहाँ उन्नत शील नहीं भाई नाना भाषा नाना मत नाना परिधान विविधेर माझे देखो मिलन মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উদ্ধার জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হও করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হও করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হও করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয়
This FC has provided me with lot of new friends. There was inter-services camaraderie. I was able to make some new friends, and moreover, the support of the staff and the academy was quite good here. Coming into the city of Hyderabad was a very nice experience for me. Whether it is sports, whether it is classes, or in the libraries or outside the libraries, eating out, every experience was quite good. Our CGM was Dr. Harpreet Singh sir. He was very supportive and helpful to us. So overall, I can say that I am taking away a lot of memories from this course, and this would be cherished for the lifetime.
ও ধরমিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ভুলিবে যাবে কেন হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में वीर रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना
Apart from learning so many varied subjects and in such great depths, I can only say that this has been an experience that has helped me discover a lot about me, and this course has certainly helped in bringing out the very best in me, and I have everybody to thank this for, especially the faculty that was all along with us, guiding us, director sir, our course director sir, who've been a great pillar of support to me, and I'm sure for all of us.
It was a very good experience. The classes were good. It has a good infrastructure. Overall, it was a very good experience. Thanks a lot, MC HRD.
নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উদ্ধার জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয়
உள்ளத்தில் உறுதியாய் செயலில் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ.
உள்ளத்தின் உறுதியாய் செயல் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में भी रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना ভুলিবে যাবে কেন হব সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় वहाँ धर्म ते धीर वहाँ कर नित्य वीर वहाँ उन्नत शीर नहीं भाई नाना भाषा
during village visits and trek in the special FC, we participants, we got very good chance of interacting with our fellow IPS batchmates, IPOS batchmates, and IP TAFs batchmates and Indian Trade Service batchmates. So overall, it was a very good experience.
নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উত্থান জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয়
உள்ளத்தில் உறுதியாய் செயலில் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ.
உள்ளத்தின் உறுதியாய் செயல் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में भी रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना
I was most excited about the trek. I had heard that this is where you make lifelong memories and this is where you have the maximum fun in spite of going through a grueling schedule throughout the day. But Ooty was beautiful, and more beautiful was the places.
ভুলিবে যাবে কেন হবো সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় वहाँ धर्म ते धीर वहाँ कर नित वीर वहाँ उन्नत शील नहीं भार नाना भाषा नाना मत नाना परिधान विविधेर माঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উদ্ধার জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয়
Tracking has been really like one of the best experience of this entire FC. And you know why? Because वहाँ जो दोस्त बने, वहाँ जो मतलब कहना चाहिए कि एक्सप्लोर करने को मिला, जो एडवेंचर था, उसका कोई जवाब नहीं है. It has been a really a once in a lifetime experience for me.
ও ধরমিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ভুলিবে যাবে কেন হবো সবে আগুয়ান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में वीर रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना নানা ভাষা নানা মত নানা পরিধান বিবিধের মাঝে দেখো মিলন মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উত্থান জগ জন মানিবে বিষয় জগ মান মানিবে বিষয়
உள்ளத்தில் உறுதியாய் செயலில் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ.
உள்ளத்தின் உறுதியாய் செயல் வீரமுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து நிற்பாய் நீ रहो धर्म में धीर रहो कर्म में भी रखो उन्नत शीर डरो ना भूलिबे যাবে যাবে আগোবান সাথে আছে ভগবান হবে জয় वहाँ धर्म ते धीर वहाँ कर नित वीर वहाँ उन्नत शील नहीं भार नाना भाषा नाना मत नाना परिधान विविधेर माझे देखो मिलन মহান দেখিয়া ভারতে মহাজাতির উদ্ধার জগো জানো মানিবে বিষয় জগো মান মানিবে বিষয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হো করমিতে বীর ও উন্নত শির নাহি ভয় ও ধর্মিতে ধীর হো
time spent with the friends on the campus and also during the trek village visit and also at the during this virtual fete cultural everything was awesome. All were very memorable experience.
చేతులెత్తి మొక్కుతా చేయి చేయి కలపకురా కాళ్ళు కూడా మొక్కుతా అడుగు బయట పెట్టకురా చేతులెత్తి మొక్కుతా చేయి చేయి కలపకురా కాళ్ళు కూడా మొక్కుతా అడుగు బయట పెట్టకురా ఉన్న కాడ ఉండరా గంజి దాగి వండరా మంచి రోజులు వచ్చేదాకా నిమ్మలంగా ఉండరా ఉన్న కాడ ఉండరా గంజి దాగి వండరా మంచి రోజులు వచ్చేదాకా నిమ్మలంగా ఉండరా
चांदनी मन दामन में बागी खुशी झुम 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 बाजुम अमर कीवड़ में जागी धोकड़ी रे चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बागी खुशी झुम झुम
we will attend the courses online, and as per the office memorandum, we have seen that we have to attend online courses and give the exams also online.
As far as virtual FC is concerned, to be honest, initially मैंने काफ़ी कुछ expect नहीं किया था कि there will be a lot of fun will be missed. But as time went, this new mode of learning found it very interesting, and special memories of both in-house and virtual FC. There are a lot of memories.
The academy took lots of pains to show the invite different speakers and make good lectures and all, which were very useful for us. The Director General sir took a lot of efforts to coordinate these events, especially the virtual FETE, Virtual India Day. It was like amazingly well coordinated by DG sir, and that was also one good thing, and the lectures were also very good.
Oh, dhoro mite dheer, ho koro mite bhir, ho unnato shir nahi bhoy. Bhulibe dabe kyan hobo shabe aguwan, shate ache bhagoban hobe joy. Raho dharm mein dheer, raho karm mein veer, rakho unnat shir daro na.
The faculty of MCR HRD, the online module has been successfully completed, and the overall experience of foundation course has been extremely good, both the in-academy module as well as the online module. And particularly village visit and trek had been the most memorable experience in the special foundation course overall. And even during the online module, despite so many people logging in from across the country at different places, with the efforts of the for DG sir and the faculty of MCR HRD, overall this special foundation course would remain truly memorable and special for us as we go forward.
MCR HRD has risen to the occasion, and on two counts it has delivered. One is connecting officers from 175 different locations, logging on to the system and attending the classes. And secondly, making this training very successful. It has been made very interesting. The quality of the content delivered through online course has not been compromised. And I really feel proud of MCR HRD IT. I am proud of being an alma mater to this institution.
Oh, dharamite dheer, ho koro mite bhi.